Don't buy silver until this happens Monday. Silver is on the edge of a breakout or breakdown, and the next few days will decide which way it goes. Check this out. If you're interested in gold, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away a 10th ounce of gold. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that gold. Look at this from the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago. On Monday, the national index, or the CFNAI, drops. This thing isn't just some obscure economic report. It's a broad measure of how the U.S. economy is running. If the index shows contraction, investors usually scramble for safe havens like silver. And if it shows expansion, silver demand is going to cool off fast. The final August report hits on September 15th. In the last release, this CFNAI, it posted a 0.07 increase. That was for July. It's just barely above neutral, and it shows how fragile the trend is because look at how silver has moved. Don't ignore this one. If that number slips, silver could surge, and if it climbs, you could be buying high. But that's just the first domino because right after this, two more reports are going to shake silver even harder. We have the retail sales and manufacturing inventories. These reports drop the same day, September 15th. Retail and food services at 8:30 and manufacturing and trade at 10. Retail sales show how much consumers are spending. Inflation and silver are tied. This is why we have to watch these. If people are cutting back, that points to slowing growth and possibly more Fed easing, which usually helps silver, yes. Manufacturing inventories, on the other hand, show how much product is sitting and unsold. So high inventories, that often means slowing demand, and that affects industrial silver use. This is the era of industrial use of silver. Industry is moving the needle for silver. It's not the fear of missing out crowd like we used to watch. It's industry. July retail sales rose 1% month over month. It was stronger than expected, and manufacturing inventories climbed 0.4%, and that showed supply is piling up. So silver reacts fast to spending and production shifts. It moves, sometimes within hours. But these numbers are just fuel. The real fire is what the Fed does next. Expectations for a Fed rate cut shot up from 63% to 87%. That's why metals are moving so much these past weeks. It's all about this confidence. That's the surge we're seeing. Lower rates mean a weaker dollar, and weaker dollar means stronger silver. That's exactly what we're experiencing now. If the data doesn't line up with those expectations, markets could panic. If the Fed suddenly looks less dovish, then 87% probability could collapse. And silver is going to follow hard and fast. So keep your eyes locked on Monday because it could reinforce all those expectations for the Fed. And the bottom line is, I'm not giving you financial advice, but if I was going to make a move on silver, I'd wait until all this plays out on Monday. CFNAI, retail sales, Fed signals. Those are three major players coming right for us, and it could be a stick of dynamite. Get your own gold. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. Every month, they're giving away a 10th ounce of gold. Every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that gold, and I'll see you on the next one.